One of the questions I get asked most frequently is, what is your favorite weapon? The answer is whichever I am fighting with currently. I find it impossible to pick a favorite, each have their own style and win me over the moment I have it in my hand and get to fight with them. However, that being said, 18th century Smallsword holds a special place in my heart. Smallsword is an advanced weapon system in BADC. It's left till your final exam and is the one that makes people's brain melt, slide out of their ears and run screaming off down the corridor. The reason for this is it is so precise, your wrist has to be at a certain angle, footwork is neat, and the fight itself is fast. It is a beautiful, deadly weapon and looks as sexy as hell. And for all its difficulty in the beginning, there is a moment in all students' lives where it suddenly clicks. You can visibly see this moment. Suddenly everything makes sense and they just fly with it. There is a thrill at being so in tune with your partner during a Smallsword fight and begin able to fly at such a speed that is impossible with other weapons. I came into stage combat through the BADC, British Academy of Dramatic Combat, and they typically start you off with 3 different weapon systems joined together into one long fight. Mine were, as is most common, unarmed, rapier and dagger, and single sword. Here you are learning the basis of each moves, what a parry is, how to cut and thrust, the illusion behind how to not really smack your partner in the face, etc. For me, experiencing the joys of the different weapons came out more doing level 2, intermediate. By now you know a bit more and can appreciate the differences in styles, stances and handling of the weapons. Quarterstaff, longsword, rapier and companion, these all have strong, low, and wide stances. If they were an element, I'd associate them with the earth. They are grounded and strong. Unarmed and knife, I always feel that knife fighting is similar to unarmed. They're dirty, gritty and up close and personal. Fighting with 2 weapons, whether that's sword and shield, case of rapiers, rapier and cloak, etc. What it boils down to is being able to attack and defend simultaneously, and the art of this with stage combat is opening up those areas for your partner to attack and keep selling the story of being in danger constantly. Saber, Smallsword, rapier, these weapons are elegant, upright and have an air of nobility around them. When you've moved past exams and are fighting on set or on the stage, the type of weapon your character fights with tells you a lot about who they are as a person. There's some really beautiful descriptions of this in Christopher Paolini's Eragon series. These are fantasy novels with fantastic descriptions of battles and duels. Each way the character fights is unique to them as a person and adapts as they grow throughout the books.